Does your license need saving? Do the wise thing. Call Wise Man Lawyers. Does your license need saving? Do the wise thing. Call Wise Man Lawyers. Don't face that court alone. Let the Wise Man team get you back on the road. Does your license need saving? Do the wise thing. Call the Wise Man team at Wise Man Lawyers.
Alright, today I'm at Ipswich Magistrates Court. Client was charged with drug driving. There's two types of drug driving. The more serious is drive under the influence of a drug, meaning you were high on drugs. The less serious is what's called drive whilst relevant drug present, meaning you've had it at some point, the effects have worn off, but there's trace of it still in your system. Worst case scenario is a 9-month loss of licence. Mandatory minimum is 1 month. I said to my client, look, I could push hard for the minimum 1 month, will you manage? He said no, even with the mandatory minimum 1 month, it'd wipe me off the map financially, given what he does for a living. Because he hadn't lost his licence in the last 5 years, he was eligible to apply for a drug driving work licence, and given what I've just said about not being able to withstand the minimum if I was able to achieve it, he'd still suffer hardship, so he wanted me to apply for a drug driving work licence. Basically that involved me drafting about an 8-page affidavit up for him to sign, talking about income, expenses, what he does, why he needs his licence to do it, difficulties he'll suffer while he's off the road, what happened on the day in question, etc. I do about a 4-page affidavit up for the employer to sign, so what they do, why the client needs their licence to do it, and that they will lose their job if they lose their licence. So I drafted all of those, provided them to the court in advance. I asked my client to do a reformatory course that we get all of our clients to do, just exposing them to footage and first account recollections of incidents that have happened on the road, or families of loved ones who have lost loved ones on the road. I got my client to get some references based on a template we give all of our clients. As I said, everything was drafted and provided to the court in advance. I met my client this morning. We finalised the documentation. I ran through the procedure, what my client can expect in the courtroom and what he can expect each person to say, the prosecutor, the magistrate, myself, etc. I guided the magistrate through the affidavit materials. Basically, everything that needed to be said was already built into the affidavits, but sometimes it assists if I can guide the magistrates through the key points. Short version is I was successful in persuading the magistrate to grant my client a drug driving work licence, so he was given a 2-month disqualification, which is a good outcome when there's a work licence granted. The magistrates have got the power to double what they'd otherwise give when they grant a work licence, so that maximum doubles from 9 months to 18 months, and the mandatory minimum doubles from 1 month to 2 months. So the client was given a 2-month disqualification. The work licence application was granted, so basically he's disqualified for 2 months, but the work licence allows him to continue driving for work purposes only during the disqualification period. So for work purposes, he literally hasn't lost his licence. He was given a modest fine. Client's obviously very relieved. I'm Andrew Wiseman. Thanks for watching. Hi, I'm Andrew Wiseman from Wiseman Lawyers, Queensland's only truly dedicated drug, alcohol and traffic offence law firm. If you face loss of licence, loss of vehicle, imprisonment or anything in between at any court in Queensland, we can and will help you today. This is our specialty. This is all we do. Give us a call, 1300 947 352. I look forward to helping you resolve your issue today.
Don't